Tara.
So now I have another project to do and I don't have any time for this, so I came to her and I said, can you please help me with that? And she said, I'm busy, so deal with it. I really don't know what to do.
Listen, I think that you need to talk to her. Bless you. Talk to her. Bless you. That you're not comfortable. That you...
Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it.
Okay, now I'm gonna release you and you will shut up and I'm gonna keep talking. Okay?
I'll try.
Okay.
Itchy! I'm sorry, it was my last one, I swear.